Hi, welcome to Northern Spain. I'm Elias. Ready to learn how to cook Spanish food like a local? You are at the right place, because in this video you will learn how to cook local delicacies from the Galicia region, Spain's main supplier of seafood and shellfish. First, you will visit a lively local market, guided by your private cook at the Rías Baixas, a region which has been a gastronomic reference for centuries. You will brush shoulders with the locals to buy all the ingredients you need for your cooking class. After a delicious lunch, where you will enjoy what you have cooked, paired with local wines, you will have time to relax in an stylish boutique hotel overlooking the Alvarinho Great Vineyards of this spectacular region. Stay with me. This is my favorite Spain. Come with me and enjoy discovering yours.